Transitional routines are the norm these days. We all have a long list of obligations, whether it's work, school, or so much more. That's why it's so important to stock a well-curated pantry that has items that can put a nutritious meal together in minutes. I always like to lean into ancient grains, beans, nuts, and seeds. They're all a great source of fiber, vitamins, and minerals that can support digestive health as well as metabolic health. Here are some recipe ideas from some must-have pantry items. This bread is a combination of almond flour and triple seed mix. It's absolutely delicious. Almond flour is one of my go-to in place of conventional flour because it's a great source of plant-based protein. And these delicious cookies are made from the chunky chocolate chip mix. And I also added in some triple omega seed mix in almond flour for a little bit of a plant-based protein boost. This is as simple as it gets. This is my non-traditional take on cold sesame noodles. I used a quinoa spaghetti, and then I made a nice nut sauce. You can use any nut of your choice. I combined the nut butter with low sodium tamari and a little bit of water. And then I added some sesame seeds and scallions. Ready in minutes. This recipe for quinoa salad has been a long favorite in my house. I can make the quinoa in advance, which I love, and it stays good in my fridge in an airtight Tupperware for up to 5 days. And then I add in chopped up cucumbers, chives, and then I like to customize it with some nuts and dried fruits. You can use whichever ones you choose, and then usually I dress it with this very easy dressing that's olive oil, apple cider vinegar, and a little bit of stone ground mustard. It's delicious cold or warm, and it also lasts for 5 to 7 days in the fridge.